Good day. I'm Chris Jordaan, the President and CEO of Superior Gold. Today we announce our production results and cash position for the quarter ending 31st of March 2022. Firstly, I'm very pleased to report that the team at Superior Gold's operations achieved a significantly improved safety performance. Strong production results in the quarter resulted in a solid cash position. This despite a 2-week-long planned preventative maintenance shutdown on the SAG mill, while COVID-19 negatively affected employee and service provider strength, especially in March. Highlights for the first quarter of 2022 include a 21% drop in total recordable injury frequency compared to the previous quarter, a solid production of 16,747 ounces of gold, which represents a 16% decrease over the fourth quarter in 2021 and a 5% decrease over the comparable period last year. This is primarily due to the planned 2-week shutdown of the SAG mill. Ore hoisted from the Plutonic underground and Perch open pit mines exceeded expectations for the quarter, whilst grade was in line with expectations. The mill shutdown was safely completed on schedule, and this is consistent with the company's strategy to invest in fixed plant for long-term, reliable and sustainable operations. We also reported cash and cash equivalents of $20 million, which surpassed management's expectations. The reduction in cash was mainly due to unsold ounces in inventory of 924 ounces, a planned 2-week mill shutdown in March, and working capital changes due to the buildup of open pit stockpiles of more than 30,000 tons due to the SAG mill shutdown. The health and safety of our employees are paramount to management, the board and the company. In the fourth quarter of 2021, we commenced with a people, safety and risk transformation program to further improve safety awareness and create a safe working environment with a goal to reduce injuries and risk at the Plutonic mine operation. The program has delivered early successes, and we've noted a marked reduction in injury frequency of 21% quarter on quarter. However, the COVID-19 cases and exposures have increased within our workforce in the wake of Western Australia opening its borders in March. COVID-19 is expected to continue to challenge operations into the next quarter. However, in-transit and on-site controls are in place to ensure cases on-site are minimized to reduce the impact. We will continue to advance several value-enhancing projects with a goal to improve safety and sustainability of the business, increase ore supply and mill grade, lower cost and extend our mine life. Superior Gold's growth strategy is now to progress towards delivering on our second goal, and that is to build a business of scale, aiming to safely and sustainably produce circa 100,000 ounces per annum in phase 1, and then moving on to 150,000 ounces in phase 2. Superior Gold remains on track this year in phase 1 by delivering on a safe, stable and predictable operation expected to produce between 80 and 90,000 ounces in 2022 at reduced cost, increase underground production in 2022 as we progress towards an ore production rate of 1 million tons per annum, which we expect to reach in the fourth quarter of 2022. Mining 30% of the underground ore from new fronts this year as a result of the 2021 exploration program, which lowers the number of working faces whilst improving mining efficiency and unit costs. Unlocking value from the early entry into the main pit deeps to increase the milled ore grade, and then also increase our exploration spend to circa $90 to $100 per ounce produced as we continue the mineral exploration into the new mining fronts in the underground mine, whilst extending now the exploration program towards surface open targets at Hermes South, Pelora, Seaborg and Central Bore. Continued strengthening of the balance sheet as we progress into 2022. An important remaining element to this is the updated resource and reserve statement, which is in its final confirmation stages, and we expect to announce it within the coming weeks, as well as our market updates on the latest exploration results. Finally, I encourage you to review the full news release regarding our first quarter production results for full details. Thank you for watching.